How is AI used in daily life?
AI is in fact everywhere without us knowing it. For instance, it's on your phone. You're on Instagram, you're scrolling, you're on TikTok, you're scrolling. This is a recommendation system that involves selecting what you should see next. AI can help doing this. Is also suggesting which friends you should send that to. AI knows who are your friends. Now let's say you go on Amazon and you want to select your new, buy something. There is already a selection of things you're likely to buy. Think also of all those things you're using in your daily life, like computers. You're sometimes taking the bus. This is also optimization being involved in the process, such that decisions can be made at any time. So AI is basically behind lots of decisions made, but what's behind AI is in fact lots of mathematics and algorithms. So it's a whole ensemble of little things.
What jobs will AI replace?
So there's lots of fear about AI is going to replace you. Some people say that AI is going to replace people who don't use AI. I believe that's kind of true, but it also relates to the fact that if you're creative, if you're a critical thinker, if you're someone who will think deeply of what your task involves, AI won't replace you because you have ways of using AI to outperform anyone else, including an AI alone. I actually do research in this. How can a human-AI collaboration bring even more impact? So I think AI has the ability to remove all the cognitive burden in maybe some mundane, boring tasks, such that you focus on things you really like, the creative parts.
What does the future of AI look like?
So I think the future is getting built right now. There is future about helping you in tasks about, for instance, planning. You want to plan for your next trip. You don't want to spend lots of time finding the best hotels or best flights. An AI could help you with this, figuring out the best optimal choice for you. AI could be there for better decision making, for instance, in healthcare. Potentially doctors could get a lot of help in challenging decisions. Now, lots of decisions also for whenever you go to the grocery store. If you realize you have always the products you like, how come? Because there are algorithms behind. So AI can help ease this whole process. So the future of AI is a future of human-AI collaboration. It's a future where humans will have more and more of those tools available, but then you have to learn the best way to leverage this. And there, again, this is your creativity that can bring some exponential success, exponential improvements for all of us and making it a better world.
Do you know when AI first came about?
Everybody's talking about generative AI these days. Generative AI is not even new. There's been lots of iterations and algorithms already in the 40s and 50s in the 20th century. So before, there were some algorithms that were out there about how can we train what are called perceptrons, meaning those early versions of neural networks. So our brains have tons of neurons. This is how we think. The AI, it's called AI because it's an artificial intelligence. It's not really an intelligence. It's more like an algorithm, really good at processing lots of data. Those inventions are actually from the previous century. And then there was what we call a winter of AI. There was a lack of data, a lack of good computers to solve all of this. Methods were not always invented to be able to solve all of that. So there is a key method called backpropagation. It's an algorithm that helps you train how this neural network should be. This was invented decades ago, about 50 years ago. And now everybody's hearing about it thanks to ChatGPT or other models, but it's really built on top of the whole theory from before.